welcome to a slightly different format of video. I've listened to all your comments, and I've sort of put this video together to see how you feel about it. And please leave comments in the underneath this video. So this piece of work today is a part of a tree that came down in our paddock over the last couple of days, and the video preceding this shows you me cutting this tree up into parts that I'm going to store to make bowls. And in this particular bowl is going to be a hat bowl. So as we start the turning, I quickly realize that the bark on it is very fibrous, and it keeps on, blocking up the end of, or the tip of the chisel. So I have to keep on cleaning it out, and it actually prevents you from, making a good cut. But once I got rid of the bark, everything was all okay. And of course, it takes some considerable time to machine the the outer limbs here, of which there are 3, down enough to be able to see, well, how this bowl is going to turn out. The wood will actually decide what shape the bowl is going to be itself. So I'll leave you watch this now, and because Google has sent me through some lovely music, and I hope you enjoy some of the music that I'm putting on here from Google, and I'll come back in a little bit later on in this video. Thank you for watching the video today, and if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. And I'd like to thank my patrons who support this channel, because without the patrons the channel wouldn't exist as it does today. So thank you very much for watching, and it's bye for now, and I'll see you next time.